Good afternoon, everyone. Today's my non-technical topic is online shopping versus offline shopping. In today's generation, the online shopping is very increasing, and we all know that China is the first e-commerce country which is increasing the online shopping, as well as after the China and US, India is the third largest country which uses the online market, e-commerce system, websites, sites, networking for the shopping of the product. So we will discuss the online shopping as well as offline shopping in differences. In this topic, we will discuss about the advantages as well as disadvantages also. So we all know that the online shopping is the activity of purchasing the good and services product with the help of network or internet. And the offline shopping is the activity of purchasing to visiting at the shopping center. So the second one point is the online shopping. It is very convenient method, and the customers can easy to allow the shopping anywhere or anytime. But in offline shopping, the um, uh, customer does not allow to shopping anywhere. It is a non-convenient method. So in online shopping is available in 24 by 7 times duration, that is available in all the time. And in offline shopping there is only the limitation of time during shopping. So the next point in online shopping is online shopping there is various social networks are available for the shopping, like Amazon, Flipkart, Mantra, as well as many more. So the Amazon is the first largest online shopping app which are widely used in worldwide. So in online shopping there is no allowed to customer to touch or see the product, or or in offline shopping there is allowed to the customer to touch or see the product quality, their effectiveness all. So in online shopping there is a chances of many frauds or social networking issues or payment issue also. But in online shopping the customers are easily buying the product without any fraud. Then in online shopping allowed to the customer, online shopping they are available in any time, and they allow to the customer to choose the prices where they are suitable for the product, and customer choose the cheapest product also. But in online shopping there is no chances of choosing the prices, that is bargaining is possible, but selecting the product with the help of selecting the product by our choice is not possible in the offline shopping. So the online shopping and offline shopping is depends on the customer choices. The online shopping it has various social network platform, or online app for the shopping is available. There is a there is the product is home delivery possible in the online shopping, but in case of offline shopping the customer buy to the site of shopping center and then buying a product. So it is a disadvantages. It's the disadvantages of online shopping as well as offline shopping. offline shopping and online shopping is depends on the customer, where they are choose online as well as offline. So it's all about the online as well as offline shopping. Thank you.